Hello, dear student. Once again, A.S.S Foundation is back with a new batch. So this time we are starting a fresh batch from May 16th. The students who are preparing for November 21, because NTA have already announced that the next circle of the exam will be in November 2021. It have been already notified in the last notice. So there will be a cycle of almost 6 months for November, starting in May. So we have to prepare accordingly for same. So that's why we are starting a fresh batch for May 16. The current exam is being postponed and might be held somewhere in the end of July, looking into the condition of the pandemic going on in the country. But the best thing is that we can utilize the time which is given there. And along with this November 2021 batch, we are offering a crash course. The people who join right now, we are offering a complimentary crash course for the same. So the people who have filled up the form and still waiting when the exam will happen. So we are offering a complimentary crash course for the same. And all the students who are in M.SC first semester or second semester or third or fourth semester, they can join in with a validity of like full duration of M.SC for like if they start right now, right? So it's a very good opportunity if those people who are planning or targeting this exam along with the November 2021. So you will be getting a free crash course from our side along with the November 2021 registration. So you can decide accordingly. The batches will start from May 16th. We will try to start both online as well as offline, but offline will be conditional depending upon the norms in the city. So those who are interested for November 2021 NET-JRF Environmental Sciences and try to give a shot for this exam also can go for early joining to get a free complimentary crash course. We are teaching both the papers in this along with full study material, assignment, test series, everything. So it's a full compact program and quite a helpful things will be provided for the upcoming gate ecology evolution and environmental sciences and engineering also, which we will start in June somewhere, right? So those who are interested, they can contact us. The contact numbers are given below and they can do free demos. Plus we are also teaching exclusively paper one. So for the other people like other subjects, other 81 subject, right? Other 81 subject, those people who wish only to study paper one also, they can contact us. We are teaching at a very good terms, 4 to 5 specialized faculty taking part in paper one. Plus for environmental science people, we are teaching both the papers. So you're most welcome to join in the new batch from 16th of May. And if you join, take a pre-joining, then you can take advantage of the complimentary crash course, which is going on right now for this exam also. Thank you very much.